Hi guys, here we've got Vivo X80 Pro, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So first of all, just open your phone dialer, then select the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to, select edit, and now click on add photo. And now you can either take a photo if someone is staying right in front of you, that's just perfect, or you can pick something from your own gallery, so just click on choose photo, then select the album. Okay, and actually it's empty. Let me try. Oh no, we've got something here. Okay, just the screenshots, but still we can apply it. Now you can customize it, so let me for example apply this this icon, this photo, then click on save copy, tap on save, and that's it. This is how you can apply account photo, so if you would like to personalize some colors, smoothly do it, and then just pick some better picture that I've got. So that's it, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.